Extreme nose blackheads extraction deep pore cleaning. From the outside, the nose may not look that congested, but zoom in closer, much closer. Beneath the surface are hundreds of pores filled with trapped oil, dead skin, and stubborn blackheads. Today we're performing an extreme nose blackheads extraction and deep pore cleaning to uncover what's been hiding inside. A closer look at the congestion. Each blackhead tells a story. A pore slowly filling with oil, dead skin accumulating over time, a blockage exposed to air and turning dark through oxidation. Multiply that by hundreds of pores, and the nose becomes a hotspot for congestion. Why the nose gets hit hardest? The nose contains highly active oil glands. That means more sebum production, more visible pores, greater chance of blackhead formation. This is why nose extractions are often the most dramatic. Step 1. Surface cleansing. Before extraction begins, excess surface oil and impurities are removed. A clean surface helps reveal the true extent of pore congestion. Step 2. Steam activation. Warm steam softens compact blackheads trapped deep within the pores. The extraction phase is about to begin. Step 3. Extreme extraction begins. One pore, then another, then dozens more. As pressure is applied, blackheads begin emerging from deep inside the skin. Step 4. Deep pore cleaning transformation. The more congestion removed, the more the skin starts to change. Texture becomes smoother. Pores appear cleaner. The nose begins its transformation. The most satisfying moment. There comes a point during every extraction session when the difference becomes obvious. What was once a congested pore field becomes noticeably cleaner. Final refining stage. After extraction, the skin is soothed and refreshed. The focus shifts from removing congestion to revealing healthier looking texture. Final results. Before, stubborn nose blackheads, clogged pores, rough texture. After, cleaner looking pores, smoother skin surface, visible deep pore cleaning results. Final message. Every blackhead removed is one less blockage standing between your skin and a cleaner appearance. And sometimes, the biggest transformations happen inside the smallest pores. If you enjoyed this extreme nose blackheads extraction and deep pore cleaning transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more blackhead removals, skincare transformations, and satisfying extraction videos.